Hello and welcome to the Global Electronics Report. It's Friday, August 25th, and my name is David Burford. Today's programme is sponsored by Comet Group. Apple CEO Tim Cook announced from Des Moines in Iowa on Thursday that Apple is to build a $1.3 billion facility in Milwaukee. According to CNN, the new facility, that is about 20 minutes away from Iowa's state capital, will run entirely on renewable energy and will help power Apple's App Store. The project is expected to create 50 permanent jobs. State and local authorities have approved around $208 million in tax incentives collectively, a common practice for states in order to secure large-scale investment. Over in Wisconsin, the state legislature is currently debating the approval of $3 billion worth of incentives for Foxconn. Viscom AG will carry out the first field tests with the new protocol, the Hermes standard, in preparation for the official launch in November at Productronica. Implementation is already underway with operators of suitable production lines. Other interested users are welcome to apply to participate in the field tests. The goal is to gather meaningful practical experience with the Hermes standard and to ensure practicability in order to test the new manufacturer-independent protocol for machine-to-machine communication. Interested customers will have their production lines equipped with the new standard. The Hermes standard was launched in March by 16 manufacturers, including Viscom. Since then, a number of major manufacturers have also joined the consortium. Becktronic moved into its new production and administration building in Wakefield recently. With around 700 square metres, the new building offers far more space and greater possibilities for their SMT stencil production requirements today and in the future. The larger space has provided the opportunity to redefine the management of the factory floor. In particular, productivity increasing systems such as Kaizen and Kanban are being used to reorganize individual work areas. All employees were involved in the implementation of the move. In the run-up, it was necessary to plan the optimal alignment of the plants, workspaces, tools and production processes, so the change of the location could be implemented without loss of production. Last year, Korean tech giant Samsung had the most disastrous product recall in the smartphone industry, due to the batteries in their Note 7 models catching fire. They have now unveiled their latest smartphone, the Note 8, and despite the fact that it should be a nervous time for Samsung, they are feeling fairly relaxed, according to a report by the BBC. Even before the phone goes on sale, Samsung have enjoyed record results and a soaring share price. The new Note 8 model features the largest screen of any mainstream phone, a dual-lens rear camera with optical image stabilization, and new multitasking capabilities. One key feature that Samsung hope will draw consumers in is the upgraded S Pen stylus that can produce fine writing even when the screen is wet. Join me after a quick break for more electronic stories.
At the Comet Group, we live by a pioneering spirit, great ingenuity, and an enduring passion for solutions that lead the way.
Sondrel is looking to hire 100 electronic engineers in Europe over the next 3 years in a £10 million investment into the semiconductor sector. The company has seen rapid growth in recent years that has resulted in opening of new design centres in the UK and Morocco. The design centre number stands at 8 after the acquisition of the IMG Works team from Imagination Technologies in July. Earlier this month, Jabil and iSight Technologies have partnered to produce the next generation of car sensing technology that will deliver the most advanced levels of driver monitoring and gesturing control. The partnership combines Jabil's automotive-grade optics capabilities with iSight's computer vision and deep learning software. Features of the technology will include driver identification with facial recognition and can also identify gender and age. driver attentiveness, analysing head pose, posture, eyelid tracking and mood. Driver distraction by tracking the iris and gaze, and gesture control, which is touch-free control of navigation and infotainment. Genoptic has acquired 5 Lakes Automation. The combination of the two companies will have potential for Genoptic to grow in the US market. 5 Lakes Automation, or FLA, is a full-service turnkey provider of complex automated manufacturing solutions, founded in 2013 in Novi, Michigan, close to Genoptic Automotive. Genoptic specialise in 3D laser processing. According to a press release, FLA contributes comprehensive experience in the handling of devices and the integration of individual production systems into automated production lines. That's it for this week. Thank you to our sponsors, Comet Group, technology with a passion. So check back next week for more top stories from around the electronics world.